Hanwha Vision's OnCloud makes it easy for system administrators to create and manage users and roles. All user and role management will take place here on the organization's dashboard. This page can be accessed by clicking on the organization's icon in OnCloud's navigation bar. To create a user or to manage existing users, click on Manage in the Users panel of the OnCloud dashboard. The Users page will display a list of current users along with user details, their assigned roles, statuses, when they were last active, and when their information was last updated. Add a new user by clicking the Add User button. Fill in the form with the new user's information. Assign a role to the new user by using the drop-down menu. Enable or disable a user's ability to share video with external recipients, and edit the locations that this user will be able to view. When you're finished, click Create User to finalize. Newly created user roles will receive an invitation email used to activate their account. Until this is done, the user status will show as User Not Activated. To create a new role, find the Roles panel in the organization's dashboard. Click Manage to access the Roles page. The Roles page will display a list of currently existing roles. To create a new role, click Create New Role. Today we are making a role for a guard supervisor. We would like this role to be able to view live and recorded video, and also have the ability to search video footage, share video, and create, contribute, and view incidents. Type in the name of the new role and check the boxes next to the relevant entitlements to select them. Click Next. Check the boxes beside the users in your organization who will be given this role. You can also search for specific users using this user search bar. Once you click Save, the role will be finalized and appear in the Roles page. Managing roles is just as simple. If an existing role needs to be edited or removed, click on the role in the Roles page to edit the desired role. Check or uncheck boxes for the entitlements that should be removed or given to the role. Clicking on the Assigned Accounts tab enables you to assign or unassign the role to users within the organization. At this point, you can save the changes made to this role by clicking the Save button. Should the role need to be deleted, you can click the Delete Role button. You will be asked to confirm the removal of this role. Confirming this will remove the role from your list in the Roles page. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.